is quantum jumping and why do we not perceive it? And what happens to the body when you quantum jump? Let's start with the basics. This is you currently watching this video. This is your non-physical self existing in your current life in this dimensional plane. Your non-physical self is an extension of Big Dude, your higher self, that has its attention concentrated at all times throughout all dimensional planes, lifetimes, and all timelines. Now let's look into a particular timeline. So this represents your current lifetime. Each of these circles represent a timeline within your current lifetime. Timeline A represents a reality where you want to increase your wealth, maybe you're broke. Timeline B represents a reality where you manifested a job that pays you 6 figures, but later you lost that job and got fired. Timeline C represents a reality where you played the lottery and won $2 million, and Timeline D represents a reality where you stole money from your business investors and you end up in jail. Okay, so this is you, your avatar, your meat suit for your soul is currently has its focus concentrated on Timeline A, where you're broke and you want to increase your wealth. Okay, when you quantum jump, all that's happening is your attention is jumping or switching between timelines. All timelines, quantum realities, are occurring simultaneously. Your past, future, and present are happening at the same time. Time is merely an illusion that allows the mind to perceive a smooth transition through quantum realities. Time gives the mind the illusion of continuity when you quantum jump realities. So we talked about your awareness is simply jumping from reality A to reality B, C, and D. Let me show you how that looks like. Each reality works like a zoetrope, spinning around you while your attention is fixated at one point in time. So it looks something like this. So each of your realities is constantly spinning around you, and your awareness remains within that spinning reality. But if you were to quantum jump to another reality, so this is a reality where you manifested 6 figures, your awareness shifts. Time creates a perceived break in space that allows you, your avatar's awareness, to perceive this quantum jumping as a continuous cycle. So it works like this. You're in a reality where you're broke, your consciousness shifts to a different reality, so your gaze shifts to this new reality through this time warp or illusion. And now you're in this new reality where you're a millionaire, and then you follow and live through that lifetime, being aware of that lifetime, and then you lose your job, you got fired, and then you jump to another reality, and it just continues on and on. The change in our bodies, aging, sleep, nighttime, daytime, and change in season helps maintain this time illusion by acting as markers. If you didn't age and night and day didn't occur and seasons didn't change, everything would appear as one long continuous now. So what does Big Dude over here see? Big Dude sees your reality like this. So each of these quantum realities to Big Dude is occurring simultaneously, and therefore Big Dude has all of the perception. So what happens to the body? Does the body, the meat suit, exist in all quantum realities? Sort of. Matter, and therefore your avatar, your meat suit, exists as densities of possibilities remaining in suspension until an awareness is brought upon it. The matter changes its properties, its behaviors, its characteristics when attention is placed on it. An example of this is the double slit experiment and the electron cloud model. The double slit experiment explains that an electron behaves both as a particle and a wave, but only acts as a particle when observed or measured. But when not observed or measured, it acts completely different, as a wave of possibilities. The electron cloud model states that we really don't know where exactly an electron might show up around a nucleus, that we can only predict that the electron can be anywhere. Hence, their locations could only be described as being part of a cloud around the nucleus where the electrons are likely to be found. So the body, which is made of atoms, exists in the quantum field as clouds of possibilities.